February 2026. At Kennedy Space Center, a giant sleeps. The most powerful rocket ever built, waiting for its first human crew. 4 astronauts, ready to fly further than anyone since the Apollo missions half a century ago.
This is Artemis 2, a 10-day test flight around the moon. Its goal? To prove that the highway to deep space is finally open for humanity.
Liftoff, the Space Launch System, unleashing over 8.8 million pounds of thrust. Pushing through the atmosphere, a demonstration of pure brute force power. After 2 minutes, the solid rocket boosters are spent and jettisoned. The core stage, its job done, separates and falls back to Earth. Now in space, the protective shroud is jettisoned, revealing the Orion spacecraft for the first time. A brief moment of quiet in Earth orbit as the crew prepares for the next critical burn. The trans-lunar injection, a single critical engine burn, committing Orion and its crew to the moon.
This is Orion, a NASA crew capsule powered by a European-built engine room, a truly international vehicle.
A 4-day journey, pushing further and further into deep space, far beyond the orbit of the International Space Station. Inside, the crew tests every system, ensuring the capsule is ready for future, longer missions. For the first time in over 50 years, humans see their home not as a world, but as a planet. Their destination appears, a gray, silent world, waiting. Loss of signal. As Orion passes behind the moon, the crew is alone, on the dark side. A new perspective, seeing the side of the moon that is forever hidden from Earth. The journey home begins, a 3-day fall back to Earth. The service module, its job done, is jettisoned. The crew capsule is now a ballistic vehicle. Re-entry. The heat shield endures temperatures of over 5,000 degrees Fahrenheit.
The heat shield doesn't just block the heat, it burns away, carrying the intense energy with it. A controlled sacrifice.
From hypersonic to subsonic. A series of parachutes, slowing the capsule for a gentle splashdown. A perfect end to a perfect test flight.
Artemis 2 is a success. They have proven the rocket works, the spacecraft works. The highway to the moon is now open.
But Orion cannot land. To reach the surface, a new, even more ambitious vehicle is needed. The missing piece, a modified Starship, designed to be the first human lunar lander in 50 years.
But to get to the moon, the lander needs a full tank, and launching it full is impossible. It must be refueled in space.
In Texas, the lander is built, a new variant of Starship, purpose-built for the moon. And its most unusual feature, a massive elevator, the gangway to the lunar surface. But before the lander can fly, its support fleet must be launched, a fleet of robotic fuel tankers.
This is a new philosophy. Not one perfect launch, but dozens of cheaper, reusable launches to build a gas station in the sky.
The ballet begins. The first tanker is launched into low Earth orbit. It becomes a floating gas station in space, the fuel depot. A second tanker follows, its tanks full, ready to perform the first ever orbital fuel transfer. And the first docking, a maneuver never before attempted with 2 100-ton spacecraft.
This is the hardest part, transferring thousands of tons of cryogenic fuel in space. A single leak, and the mission is over.
The first transfer begins, a process that takes hours, managed entirely by computers. And with its job done, the tanker returns to Earth, ready to be refilled and fly again within days. Launch after launch, the depot is filled, a gas station built in the heavens. With the depot full, the lander itself is launched, the ship that will carry humans to the surface. The final refueling, the lander takes on the thousands of tons of fuel it needs for its journey. And its journey begins, a lonely, robotic voyage to lunar orbit. The lander arrives and waits, a silent sentinel, ready for the arrival of its crew.
A dozen launches, 1,000 maneuvers, all just to get one ship fully fueled and waiting at the moon. An incredible engineering feat.
The robotic ballet is complete. Now, the human element begins. And on Earth, the crew for the historic landing mission is chosen. They train for years, preparing for a landing unlike any in history. And their ride to orbit is prepared, the second operational SLS rocket. Another giant, rolling into the sun, ready to make history.
Their target, the lunar South Pole, a region of permanent shadow believed to hold the key to a permanent human presence, water ice.
The culmination of decades of work, the hopes of a new generation of explorers resting on this single mission. Final preparations, every switch, every valve, every line of code, checked and double-checked. A new generation looks to the sky, ready to witness history. And the journey to the surface begins, the launch of Artemis 3. A familiar path, the Orion capsule once again carries humans into deep space. Lunar orbit insertion. The crew has arrived at their destination. The Lunar Rendezvous, a tiny capsule meeting a skyscraper in orbit around the moon.
This is celestial mechanics at its most complex. A perfect dance, 250,000 miles from home.
The final approach, the most delicate maneuver of the mission. A perfect docking. For the first time, the two most powerful space systems ever built are connected. A doorway to another world. The gateway to the lunar surface is open. Two astronauts transfer to the lander, preparing for the final descent. A new home for the next 7 days, a lander with more room than a small apartment. The lander is on its own, the beginning of the final 100-mile drop. A controlled fall, a 100-ton skyscraper landing on a world with no atmosphere.
The landing is entirely automated. The ship itself scans the surface and chooses the final, safest spot to touch down.
The final meters, a dance of fire and computers seeking solid ground. Touchdown. For the first time in over 50 years, humanity has returned to the moon. Silence on the moon. The crew performs their post-landing checks. But the door is 100 feet in the air. To reach the surface, a new kind of exit is needed. The first steps on a new world, and the first day of construction begins. They have landed. Now, the construction begins. A familiar tradition on a new frontier. The work begins, unpacking the tools for the first lunar construction. Their first task, deploy the rover, the key to exploring this new frontier. The two astronauts are shown driving the rover across the lunar landscape. And the science begins, deploying experiments to study this strange, new environment. The most important experiment, the search for water, the first step in learning to live off the land. The mole begins its search for the frozen treasure. A confirmation, water ice, just meters below the surface, the key to a permanent base.
This is the game changer. With water ice, you have air, you have water, and you have rocket fuel. You have a city.
And the first piece of a new home, a small inflatable habitat, the beginning of a permanent lunar base. A new home, inflated in minutes. And the lights are turned on, the first permanent structure on the moon. For 7 days, they work and explore, a new generation of moonwalkers. A view of home from another world. A new laboratory, conducting science that is only possible in the vacuum and low gravity of the moon.
The biggest enemy on the moon isn't the cold or the vacuum, it's the dust. It's sharp, abrasive, and it gets into everything.
A constant battle, keeping the deadly lunar dust from contaminating the habitat. But the mission must end. After nearly a week of construction and science, it's time to go home. The final preparations. The crew readies their ship for the first ever launch of its kind. And the return. The first ever launch of a ship of this size from another world. The second rendezvous. The crew prepares to transfer back to their ride home. The crew is reunited. Their mission to the surface, a complete success. Orion begins the 3-day journey home, leaving the lunar lander in orbit for future missions. A safe return, proving the entire architecture works.
This wasn't just a visit. It was the first day of construction for a permanent city and the first real step on the road to Mars.
And this is just the beginning, the foundation for a permanent Artemis base camp. A global effort, humanity's return to the moon, together. Unlocking the secrets of the moon and our own solar system. The workhorse of a new era, a reusable highway to the moon. Inspiring a new generation of explorers, engineers, and scientists. A project that created thousands of jobs and pushed the boundaries of technology back on Earth.
The moon is the proving ground. By learning to live off the land there, we build the skills and the technology to make the next great leap.
The moon becomes a gas station in the sky, the final stepping stone on the road to Mars. A new legacy, a new chapter in human exploration. A testament to the human spirit, the will to explore, to build, and to reach for the stars. The first house in a new neighborhood? The promise of a future built not just with what we bring, but with what we find.
Artemis is more than a rocket. It's a testament to global cooperation, proof that we can achieve more together than we can alone.
A reminder of what we're working for. A single, precious home in a vast universe. Craters that haven't seen sunlight in billions of years. Time capsules from the early solar system. The next generation of exploration. A pressurized rover, a mobile home on the moon. And a permanent outpost in the sky. The Lunar Gateway, the first space station beyond Earth orbit.
The Gateway is the anchor. A permanent port of call in deep space.
A global contribution, the International Habitation Module, a new home in lunar orbit. And the cycle continues. A reusable lander, ready for its next crew. The future of construction, using the dust of the moon itself to build a permanent city.
The moon isn't just a destination. It's a source of resources, the foundation for a new solar system economy.
From a single test flight to a permanent foothold on another world.
We went back to the moon not because it was easy, but because it was the next great engineering challenge. And we solved it.
A new beginning for humanity, inspiring the next generation of dreamers and builders. The first step on a long road. The future is arriving, On February 6, 2026, the journey begins. This was a conceptual look at the missions ahead.
The moon was never the final destination. Watch on my channel how they will build Mars Base Alpha. Link in description. Subscribe now.